Okay, so we have created an account on the Google Cloud platform. You log in and this is what you see. I've blurred out the project number and the project ID because they are very personal and you don't want to share them, but they will show up here. You get a bit of an overview on what you can expect here and where you can quickly go. And this probably will look a little bit different on your end because it does tend to get switched around and or personalized. Important for you to understand is this is the project you're in. Always remember yourself of which project is active. Again, here you have the IDs of the project. They are something that you type a lot when you're working with BigQuery. These cannot be changed. And here you have the names of the projects and/or the organization that you are in. Most of the time you will not be inside an organization unless you signed up with an email address that is part of an organization. So I do have, for example, Flipstream organization, and you can see that there is one Google Cloud project that is active in that organization. I have a lot more, but this account has access to this one for the sake of demo purposes. But don't stare yourself blind on needing an organization. It has absolutely no purpose other than if you ever need to reach out to Google and you want to be more serious and you want to be big, then set it up. You can just go to admin.google.com and you can set up your account, and then you can create your organization, put your email address in there, and then it'll be associated to you, and then you can move all your projects under an organization. Other than that, no organization is just fine, even though sometimes it feels like it's not good. But trust me, it's fine. So you can stay inside the demo project that's called My First Project that Google will have created for you. As you can see, the trial is over for me, unfortunately. But you will get a trial and you will get $300 for free when you sign up. You can always create a new project so that you are in control over the name and the ID and everything, actually. So I do recommend doing that. In this case, I can only assign it to a organization. No, I can actually select no organization, so it's not going to be part of an organization. I have 23 projects remaining. I do have like a ton more on Flipstream, so you can very easily add more by filling in a very short form in case you ever run in too many. So let's call this one the Flipstream course, SQL course. And then as you can see here, you can add in the project ID. This one has to be completely unique. The project name does not have to be unique, but this one is unique. And also don't forget, you'll be typing this a lot. As a matter of fact, when you're going to set up a serious project for your organization, I recommend calling it org name data warehouse or something. If you're only going to be using it for BigQuery purposes or for data wrangling purposes, let me put it like that. That would make a lot of sense. You could also then say this is, let's say this is org data warehouse raw, and then you can also call the project ID org data warehouse raw 1.3 whatever. This is the uniqueness that you want to give it. You'll be typing it a lot, so make it easy to type. Then you simply create it. So I'm actually gonna see if this one is available. It is available. That is very nice. So, oh, sorry. This account does not have amazing the rights to create that project. So now I've created it under Flipstream and it's actually creating it. When you have like super fresh everything, you should be able to create it and it will not be a problem. Make sure, like now I'm not yet in there because Google had to initiate it, right? Make sure to to select the project. Now I'm actually inside of this project. I'm actually inside org data warehouse raw, where I'll be working. And with that, we have the first part of the setup complete.